We are dying. We are getting sick. It doesn't matter how many ventilators we get if we are dead and cannot run the ventilators.
The president of the New York State Nurses Association, who works in Montefiore Hospital's ER, said she and others are being forced to reuse personal protective equipment against a microscopic killer, putting everyone at risk.
We are spreading this disease to the community from this right hospital.
Frida Okren, a nurse at nearby Jacoby, succumbed to COVID-19 virus several days ago. A nurse at Brooklyn's Kings County Hospital is also dead. Last week, it was Caius Kelly at Mount Sinai West. Despite what politicians say about massive amounts of protective gear arriving to the city, it's not arriving fast enough at some hospitals.
Management is requesting we bring in bleach spray, our own wipes, because they cannot provide it.
The New York State Nurses Association posted this graphic on its Facebook page showing the disparity in PPE between the U.S. and other hard-hit countries facing a devastating onslaught from COVID-19. A source at Mount Sinai Manhattan told us that 2 nurses and 2 doctors there are hospitalized with coronavirus.
Other nurses have sent their kids to live with family members and friends where they will be safe.
Victoria Kozakowski and her mother, a former operating room nurse, were so moved by the healthcare workers' plight that they sewed face masks at home and presented them to nurses at New York Hospital in Queens. Benny Mathis said a more troubling issue is that he recently tested positive, but he's already expected back in the ER.
If you can move your hands, if you can walk, if you can talk, come back and work hard.
The hope now is that former Police Commissioner James O'Neill can get the supplies to hospitals in greatest need. So simply put, the nurses and the doctors say they have to change their personal protective equipment far more frequently if they have any chance against this unseen killer, COVID-19. In the Bronx at Montefiore Hospital, I'm Mary Murphy, Pix 11 News.